Good morning. This is just a quick presentation to show you our electricians how to download the myschneider Electricians app, how to sign up, how to complete your profile, and also how to upload invoices. So click on Play Store, search for myschneider Electrician, click on myschneider Electrician, click on Install. Open. Now the first thing you do is you change the country location to Nigeria. Click on OK. Click on sign up. You put in your first name, put in your last name, put in the password, confirm the password, put in your phone number and sign up. I'm not going to click on that because I already have an account on the app. When you sign up, you get an OTP, which is like a 6 or 5 digit number in which you enter into the app. Then from there you proceed to signing into the app with the phone number. Login, skip, allow. So now the first thing I want you to do is, you can see I still have 0 points. Now the first thing I want you to do is to go to home, come here, tap complete your profile. You can see mine is still at 40%, but you complete your profile, you enter your email address, date of birth, then you click on what you work on, click on informed about, then you click on save. Upload the profile picture also. When you do that, and you come here, you will get 500 points. So that is how to receive 500 points on signing on to the app and completing your profile. Now if you want to upload an invoice, let's say you bought from one of our retailers, you come here, upload invoice, add, click on the state, Lagos, city, click on whichever city, your retailer, click on it, type, click on it, enter the amount, purchase date, then you upload the invoice, you snap and you upload it here, then you click on submit. And now when you do that, I'll be the one to verify the purchase and you'll be given the appropriate points. Thank you very much.